tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, everybody, and we are wrapping up here as far as the rain. It is done for tonight. Still have this flood warning for the water that's on the ground, and it's a lot, and it's going to take several days, obviously, to drain this out. Today was not helpful. 2 to 3 additional inches of rainfall falling on our historic rain here that we have been measuring, well, in feet at this point. Hollywood upwards of 18 inches. Fort Lauderdale, there's that epic, just 2 feet of water in just a few hours. Watching that, and of course now the result on the ground. And then on top of that, just to recap the kind of couple of days we've all been through, we had 2 confirmed tornado touchdowns. We were with you when this was happening here. 65-mile-an-hour winds, the one just west of Hollywood and near the airport. 85-mile-an-hour wind. There was some damage, but no injuries reported, thankfully. This is what it looks like right now on X-Radar Network. There is nothing out there. It is not raining anywhere across South Florida, and we haven't been able to say that in quite some time. This was what we added to the numbers, unfortunately, today. We had these storms that just rolled through the area. Thankfully, though, they did not become severe. The environment was favorable for that, but we just had 1 severe thunderstorm and some gusty winds, but nothing like we had the last few days. So here's the pattern for tomorrow. It is going to be warm. Temperatures once again approaching 90 degrees. We are going to pop a few afternoon thunderstorms. Unlike today, though, I think the coverage will be less and the rainfall will be less as conditions will favor that. Saturday, in fact, if you're planning the weekend, is going to be a much drier day. Rain coverage only about 20%, and then we'll have to bump the coverage up on Sunday as some more moisture comes at us with another front that's going to be approaching. That'll continue through the early part of next week, and then we're actually going to get back into our dry season, which is still supposedly underway through the middle part of the following work week here, and we'll talk about that in the 7-day forecast. Taking you hour by hour through tomorrow morning, we're looking good. There's that southerly flow, still lingering moisture, and so as we heat up the day, we'll have those pop-up afternoon thunderstorms. Everything pushes but continues headed east, so that by 4 or 5 o'clock, we're going to be wrapping things up once again. So this is going to, obviously, we don't want another drop on the ground. It is going to happen tomorrow again, but we're not going to likely going to see the 1 to 3 inches of rainfall of additional water here. There are the conditions for Saturday, looking pretty good through the afternoon. Not much, just a few pop-up showers and storms, and then I think we'll have more coverage as we head through the day on Sunday. This is our latest computer model run. Notice a lot of the rainfall away from the more affected areas, so more of an inland event, and we'll see those showers and storms weakening as then we push off to the east. So we have a good chunk of the day to be able to get out there and continue recovery efforts. We will have a break in the afternoon from that as a result of some more thunderstorms, but the coverage, as I mentioned, dropping to 20 on Saturday, and then we'll have to bump that back up Sunday into Monday. CBS News Miami continues next.